my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, hi, I'm Sophia, welcome. This look was inspired by Ava Marcel. She has a lot of bomb looks on the Real Housewives of Atlanta. What gets me is the eyeshadow looks are so simple. It's usually just maybe 2 tones of brown or 2 shades of the same color, and it's always popping, and she always has this very voluminous lashes. So I decided to, you know, put a spin on the whole Ava Marcel look. Plus I already got my hair cut short, so it was a no-brainer. I had to do it. If you like what you see, make sure to keep watching. If it's your first time here, or if you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, or if you like the look I'm serving, make sure to give this video a like. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like this look, if you're feeling these lashes or not. I have mixed feelings about them, so you guys let me know, okay? If there are any makeup tutorials you'd like to see on my channel, make sure to leave that down. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to leave it down as well. And yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into this quick, easy, simple tutorial. For today's eye look, I'm gonna be using the Masquerade palette by Juvias. I'm gonna start by taking Zulu, which is a brown, and I'm just gonna apply that above my crease. By the way, my eyes are already primed. I forgot to mention, I primed my eyes with the P. Louis base, and this one's Rumor 3. I'm gonna go back and apply the brown, the Zulu, and I'm just applying that above my crease. I'm taking that outwards. I'm just elongating the color a little bit. I want a nice smoky effect, and I'm also gonna take that brown into my outer V as well. I like a little bit more definition around my outer V, so I'm gonna take a smaller brush, blending brush, and I'm gonna go back into the same Zulu shade, and I'm just gonna tap it into the crease and take that along here as well. And I'm just gonna go back in with the big blending brush and just blend that again, just buff it out. I'm just gonna pat back a little bit of the P. Louis base, the Rumor 3. I'm not doing a cut crease, I'm just applying the base to my lids. I'm just gonna apply that to areas where I wanna apply the next color, just so the next color, you know, pops up a little bit more. I'm just gonna go back with the same blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend just a little tiny bit more before I go in with the next color. Going back to the same Masquerade palette, I'm gonna apply Ada, which is a reddish brown. Wow, that is so beautiful. And I'm just gonna go back into the same blending brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the Zulu, and I'm just gonna blend. My under eyes, I'm going to be applying the exact same colors. I'm going to first go into Ada, which is the red, and I'm just going to press that underneath my lashes as close to my waterline as possible. Ooh, that got into my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Zulu, which is the brown. I think this is the same brown from the Zulu palette, actually, when I think about it. I'm just going to dust that just underneath Ada, or underneath the red. There we go. I went off camera and applied these lashes. Lord, these lashes are huge. This is extra volume. I've been getting a lot of makeup recommendations lately, especially on my Instagram. So someone DM'd me and she was like, girl, everything looks good, your makeup is on point, but you gotta switch up your lashes. You gotta try some 5D lashes. So that's what we're doing today. I think these are real mink lashes. I don't even know what they are. They are just from Amazon. I do believe they are 5D lashes, and this is what the packet looks like. I will link it in the description box as well. I do feel like these lashes are too much. I don't think on a normal day I would wear this anywhere, if I'm being honest, but maybe, who knows. I just feel like I look a little more ratchet, but that's okay. I can do ratchet. I'm gonna quickly put on my foundation, and I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in shade 355. I posted a video a couple days ago showing you guys how to get a nice summer bronzy, glowy, dewy makeup I'm gonna be following the exact same foundation routine. So if you haven't checked out that video, I'm gonna leave a link here or here, and I'm also gonna leave it at the end of the video, so make sure to check it out. I'm not gonna be going over it again just to save time. I'm just gonna quickly apply my foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe gel liner in Jet, and I'm just gonna apply that to my waterline. I feel like once you add black liner to your waterline, it pretty much takes the look from basic to sexy. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I'm gonna take whatever's left on my brush. My inner tear duct, I'm thinking of going in with a pink highlighter, so I'm gonna go in with this pink shade from the same masquerade palette. This one's called Bori. I don't really like that color, but I'm just gonna put it on there, and then I'm gonna put on something else, I think. Nah. Now that pink is not really working for the inner eye, so I'm gonna go in with this glimmer shadow. This is from Ace Beauty and it's called French Vanilla. It's more of a silver pigment. For blush, I'm gonna go into my Morphe blush palette, and I'm gonna be using this one at the end here. I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit. I don't want a lot of color because the eyes are already so powerful, so just a little bit of blush. Before I apply highlighter, I'm going to quickly spritz my face. I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu setting spray. To highlight my face, I'm going to go into my Morphe highlighter palette. It is messy. And I'm going to be using Celestial, this one here. My nose contour today needs some resuscitation. I tried. It's just not coming together for me today. I don't know why. I don't know why. Now my forehead and my chin are already glowing, so I think I'm gonna skip the highlighter on there. I noticed in the last tutorial it was a little too glowy in the forehead area. I love a good highlight, but for my lips today, I'm thinking of doing something glossy, a glossy peach nude. So I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from this peach lip gloss from Steve Laurent. This one's called Posh, I think, and it's more of a pink peachy nude. And again, I'm gonna be lining my lips with my MAC Chestnut pencil. I feel like my lip pencil collection is pretty much obsolete. If you guys have any good recommendations when it comes to lip pencils, please leave it in the comment section below. Now it's too peachy, orangey, so I'm just applying a tiny bit of concealer. This is my Juvia's Face Concealer, the number 16. I'm just gonna put in a little there, just try and get the right color that I need. Okay, I think that's a lot better. Okay, I'm not sure what it is about a glossy lip, but I've been really living for glossy lips lately. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I think it's really easy. You can go ahead and substitute the reds for just, you know, plain browns. I feel like I've done a couple browns in such a short amount of time, so I wanted to switch it up and do something colorful because it's almost summertime. I love to wear colors during the summertime. You don't have to go too crazy or use 3-4 colors in your eyes. You can just go with 2 colors and still look as beautiful or as sexy. It seems like you guys are feeling the more simple looks as opposed to the more creative, complex stuff. So I'm gonna make sure to put out more of these kind of videos. So yeah, if you love this video or videos like this, make sure to give this video a like. It will help me know what content to create for you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. It's free 99. You guys should let me know what you think about these lashes. I don't know if this is where we're headed. I actually like it, which is actually weird. It grows on you. I'm like, okay, it actually looks good. I actually look cute, but I don't know. And yeah, that's it, guys. I will catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.